Welcome back to the Deep Dive. This is where we sift through sources, notes, research, all sorts of things, and really try to pull out the key insights for you. And today, we're diving into something, something many of us can't really imagine starting our day without.
Right. That morning cup.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah.
But have you ever stopped to wonder why some cups are just amazing? They wake you up, they taste incredible, and then others, they just fall flat.
It tastes kind of knocks off, yeah.
Yeah. And what actually makes it perfect? Is it just the caffeine buzz, or is there more going on?
Well, that's exactly what we're digging into today. We're going to, pull back the curtain a bit, look at the chemistry, the physics, even a bit of the psychology behind brewing that favorite mug.
Okay.
Think of this as a shortcut, maybe, to understanding how simple beans and water become this really complex, satisfying thing. And there are some genuinely surprising facts along the way.
All right, I'm ready. Let's unpack this. Let's get into the science of coffee. Okay, so starting at the beginning, the beans, right?
Yeah.
That's the core of it. And one thing that really jumped out at me, just showing how complex coffee is, apparently it has over 800 aroma compounds. Did you know that?
It's incredible, isn't it?
More than wine. It really makes you stop and think, what is actually in there?
It's an amazing number, yeah. And the basis for all that complexity, it really comes down to the two main types, the two species of coffee beans we usually drink.
Right.
You've got Arabica, which is, prized everywhere for being sweeter, more aromatic, lots of nuanced flavor.
So that's the sort of fancy stuff.
Kinda, yeah. It's got more sugars, these delicate oils. They develop into those nice floral or fruity notes when you roast them. Then you've got Robusta.
Okay.
And like the name suggests, it's tougher, hardier plant, stronger taste, often more bitter, and here's the kicker, nearly double the caffeine.
Double.
Yeah. So Robusta often gives espresso that nice crema, that thick foam, and adds that real intense, bold base, sometimes earthy flavors. So, Arabica is more about refinement. Robusta brings the bunch.
That makes sense. So if someone likes a really dark, strong-tasting coffee, are they maybe getting more Robusta without even realizing it? Or does it depend on how you brew it, too?
That's a great point. Often, yeah, darker roasts, especially blends for espresso, might use more Robusta for exactly that reason, the boldness, the caffeine. But it's not like one is just inherently better. It depends what you want, right? Arabica really shines in things like a pour-over, where you can taste those delicate notes.
Okay.
Robusta, though, with that density and crema, it's often essential for a really good, strong espresso shot. So knowing this helps you choose beans for your specific brew method and taste preference.
Okay, so you've picked your beans. Now comes the roasting part.
Yeah.
This is where I think it gets really interesting.